Looking for extra hobby rooms? This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 is laundry combo, 4-season room plus 2 extra spaces. And in addition, there is a separate outbuilding complete with electricity and insulation and a golf car storage building too. Split plan. Level. Low maintenance exterior and yard. Kitchen is well equipped and semi-open to living dining combo area. The master has access to 1 bonus room as well as walk-in shower, skylight, 2 sinks and ample storage. Second bedroom is currently a den. Third bedroom accesses laundry bath.